Now, if you don't currently know what's happening between Automattic, the owners and the company behind WordPress, and WP Engine, the owners and the company behind ACF, well, let's just say there's a legal battle going on there, and part of that is that they've cut off WP Engine's ability to be able to upload new versions of ACF and any of their other free plugins to WordPress.org. This means that we can't automatically update as new versions are rolled out. Now, at the time of releasing this video, you can see version 6.36 is the latest version of ACF available on WordPress.org. The problem is, this version and earlier have a vulnerability. Because we can't get the automatic updates, we're going to have to do this updating manually for this instance. Now, this is something that apparently is low severity, so if you want to take a look at more information about this, I'll link to the article over on PatchStack so you can see exactly what the problem is. But I want to show you quickly in this video how you can manually update everything, and then from this point on, automatic updates will roll out. They just won't be coming from WordPress.org. So I'll link to the article that gives us information about how to do this, but I'm going to show you because it's pretty quicker and easier. All you need to do is download the latest plugin, which in this example is probably going to be 6.37. Head over into your WordPress that has ACF installed. You can see 6.36 is the version we have here, which is the outdated one, and no information about an update being available, like I said, because we're not connected to .org. Let's add a new plugin. We'll upload it, choose our file that we've downloaded, choose to install now. This will then tell us the version we currently have installed and the version we've uploaded, which you can see is 6.37 in this example. We'll replace this. And there we go. That's now gone and installed it. So now if we go back to our installed plugins, you can see we now have 6.37 installed. Now, if we take a look at the article about ACF, you can see what this will do is this will override the existing plugin like we've just done, but future updates for the plugin will be available inside the WordPress admin as normal. So this is going to operate in the same way that the Pro version of ACF handles updates. It comes directly from the WP Engine servers, so it tells it when there's a new version available. We'll have the same thing now, so you can still do this. Obviously, my understanding is you won't have automatic updates because I think that is connected up to .org, but it's worth bearing in mind. Now, let's just say, for example, you have more than just the one WP Engine plugin installed. Well, in that case, you can use the WPE Secure Update plugin, which allows you to basically do the same thing as what we've seen just now, but it'll do it for all of the plugins. So we download and install this. What this will then do is it will securely update any WP Engine powered plugins. If you want to visit the site, you can take a look at the site there. So you can use either method. If you are just using ACF-free, then I would recommend just installing 6.37, making sure that is the latest version at the time you do it. Whatever is later afterwards, same principle should apply. And then this will automatically handle those updates for you in the future, so you don't have to worry because it's not connected to .org. Hopefully this is something that will be rectified in the near future, but which way it goes, we have no idea at this point in time. So this at least gives you the peace of mind knowing that when there's an update available, you can easily update it from within the dashboard of WordPress. Hopefully, if you're an ACF-free user, then this is giving you a little bit of peace of mind. If you didn't know about what's going on at the moment, then like I say, I would recommend probably go to check it out and see what's happening and why this is an issue at this point in time. But if you have no interest, just make sure you update and you are good to go. Anyway, all applicable links are in the description. My name is Paul C. This is WPTuts, and until next time, take care.